Many men dislike condoms. They say they don't feel as many sensations, it's harder to keep an erection, or they don't come. But there is a reason why condoms exist. For some, it's a non-negotiable. It's a great way to stay safe both for her and you and not get pregnant. And maybe you don't use them with your partner, but if you want to engage with anyone else, I do mean consensual non-monogamy, or if you're sleeping with others casually, well then condoms may be a must. But I've seen many men risk their and their partner's health or pregnancy because sex with a condom doesn't feel great to them. And they start experiencing performance issues when they wear it. So, let me tell you how to have great sex with a condom on. How to experience lots of pleasure, have a rock-hard penis, be in control, and be able to come. My name is Magda K. I am your sex and relationship coach, and I post a new video here every Thursday to help you improve your intimate life. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Can I tell you a secret? Okay, I've never liked condoms. Yes. I felt like it created that barrier between my partner and I, and something I've always valued in sex is that deep connection. I feel my partner's body and his energy, and so I never liked condoms because they felt like they blocked that feeling of oneness. Plus, I just don't like rubber. I don't like any sex toys made of silicone or plastic. I just like human flesh. And maybe no surprise, most of my partners never wanted to use a condom. So with one partner, we got condoms a bit more for fun, and we decided to use them. And here's what happened. I didn't feel the difference. And he said the same. It actually didn't diminish his pleasure. He said that modern condoms are way better now, and that in the past he indeed did feel a difference, and that's why he never wanted to wear them. But these were actually pretty good, the ones we had now. And so it had no impact on his sensations or erections. So, chances are, if you try a condom, now, modern condoms, you may actually not feel less. See, I think many men and women, like in my case, just sort of decided at one point that condoms diminish the experience, and that's it. But that opinion might have happened because of the old condom models, or because something else negatively impacted sex that one time. Like, I don't know, maybe not being aroused enough, or not actually being in love with the partner. Plus, modern condoms have flavors and they can have textures that will add sensations. All to say, I think many people assume they don't like condoms without having enough experience to be able to say it for sure. But apart from that, there are a few things that will help you fully enjoy sex with a condom on. First, get used to the condom. There are various experiments where they put different things in a penis and measure the strength of erection. And what has been observed as a common theme is that if you put something on a penis, the erection was weaker. But after some time, once the body got used to it, the erections returned. So, play with the condom to get used to it. This is both during sex, during masturbation, but also just during casual play. Make a condom a normal guest in your bedroom so you kind of stop noticing that it's even there. Now, second, get used to being pleasured with a condom on. So you can put it on before your partner jerks you off or blows you, yes, with a condom on, and you can also masturbate with it. This is about getting used to the sensations while you're wearing it, getting your body familiar with these new sensations, and understanding whether you may need more pressure or a different angle, or maybe change a stroke to feel pleasure. Then third, if you put the condom on and you lose your erection, leave the condom on and continue playing. Now, this is important. If you get soft and then in that mental state, you take the condom off feeling disappointed, your brain will associate these two. You know, kind of like the Pavlov's dogs. And we don't want that. So, Say you get soft. Leave the condom on and keep kissing and touching and play with your balls. And you start getting hard again. So then your body learned that being hard or soft has nothing to do with whether you're wearing a condom or not. By the way, if losing your hardness is something that happens more often than you'd like, I got something for you that will bring those strong erections back and allow you to stay hard for much longer. I've guided hundreds of men through this system, and it has literally transformed these men's sex lives. I understand it can be really daunting when you turn on, and so is she, and you both want to have sex, and your penis is not cooperating. And with age, this becomes more and more common. However, what most men think is that it's just something that happens with age, meaning you can't do anything about it. Well, the truth is, yes, your age does impact it, but what impacts it much more is your lifestyle. And this can be very much influenced. Truth is, the pill doesn't actually solve the problem and often creates dependency that makes things even worse. But you can regain strong erections in a natural way with simple practices. I put them together in my mini program called Rock Solid. The practices are very simple. They can be done sitting, but they really do massively impact your sexual stamina and strength. And when you practice them, honestly, you won't have to worry about losing your erection when you put the condom on. So I put the link below if you want to get rock solid. Okay, now number 4. When you masturbate or have sex without a condom, close your eyes and visualize yourself with a condom on. So you're not wearing it, meaning it's not negatively impacting your experience, but in your mind, you're visualizing wearing it. So the mind starts combining the two. We're still talking Pavlov's dogs here, okay? So this way, the brain thinks you're having an orgasm while wearing a condom. And 5th, pay attention to your own arousal. See, this is one thing I always talk about, especially with men over 40. Men are so used to getting hard just by seeing a naked woman that when this doesn't work anymore, they think something is broken. But the truth is that male arousal changes over the years. And with time, you actually need more foreplay. Like, yes, men need more connection and sensuality as they age to feel turned on and aroused. And most men don't realize it or they dismiss it because it's something new and because probably no one ever told you that this is actually a thing. So here I am telling you, yes, it's a thing and it's normal. And that, yes, you do need more connection to feel aroused. And when you are, you won't even notice the condom. Now, if you combine all of it with the practices from the Rock Solid training, you really won't have to worry about your performance at all. Having sex with a condom on will not take away any pleasure. Instead, it may even add sensations and depth. So don't forget to check the link below if you want to learn how to be rock solid.